Hi, I'm Gary Striegler, and I'm very thankful to say that I'm a longtime contributor to Fine Homebuilding magazine. Now, I've spent over 50 years of my life working as a trim carpenter, cabinet builder, and sometimes furniture maker. So we're going to be doing a course on 4 different essential job site tools: the table saw, the miter saw, the benchtop planer, and the router. We follow kind of a similar blueprint for each one of those courses. We want to start out giving you some information that you might need to know. What do you need to know if you're thinking about buying one, comparing one to another, features, benefits, cost. But then we're also going to show you, once you've made that purchase, or if you've already got one, how do you fine tune it? What do you need to do to make that tool work its best? Then we're going to also give you those essential safety tips, kind of the rules that you need to follow to operate that tool safely. We're going to show you the basics of how do you make each tool do its fundamental job. But then we're also going to take you a little bit higher. I'm going to share with you jigs, tips, and just things that I've learned from my 50+ years of experience. You know, I ran a company for a lot of years and I trained a lot of people during that time. So what I tried to keep in mind while I was doing this course is, what did I train those guys to do? What did they need to learn if they were just coming into the trades? But also, you know, through those years, I had a lot of guys that came to me and stayed with me. And I wanted also in this course to share with you those things that I worked with my carpenters on to take them from being good carpenters to excellent carpenters. So I'm hoping that once you look at one of these videos, you're going to say, man, I've got to see all the rest of them.